Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing my wash routine, my hair wash routine for damaged hair. I had actually recently straightened my hair and you're gonna see my hair revert back to its curly state. But while I'm here, please take a minute to subscribe, click like, and don't forget the notification bell so that you don't miss another video. Because listen, I'm here sharing my journey on my natural hair journey, and this was something I did last week because, I thought it'd be cool. If you're on Instagram, follow me there as well as on TikTok. I am active on both platforms and all three platforms, and I share my journey as well. I'm pretty transparent. I want to retain length this year, but I also want to enjoy my hair. So after blow drying it straight for the week, um, I mean, my scalp still needs its maintenance, and I knew it was time to, retire the hair and give it a nice reset. I am soaking it up, making sure it is really, really wet, making sure it is soaking wet so that I can get all the products, all the heat, protective heat, sprays out, the oils that I use, the leave-ins that I use. I'm getting it all out of my hair, and I noticed that while I'm making my hair like super wet, my hair is a lot fluffier. Curls are not as defined as normally it would be. Now I switched from the overhead to the handheld. It's a lot easier for me to just get it done there to make sure my hair is wet, making sure every strand of hair is wet. Wow, cannot speak, but we'll get through it. And yeah, I was really surprised when I straightened my hair to see the length that I had been able to retain. I had been doing some mini trims, really trying to get rid of as much damage as possible. Uh, because damage travels up the hair shaft. We don't like that. We don't do that. So it was essential for me to one, avoid heat and really mitigate the damage as much as possible. Now, after the week was done, I mean, I had a great time with my hair blow dried straight. I'm not gonna lie. I was grateful that my hair was able to sustain the hairstyle, and because it wasn't too hot or too cold, it my hair didn't dry out, so that was great. Here I am, I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I'm seeing the length. I was surprised at how much length my hair actually retained, because a lot of times when you like, if you don't blow dry your hair straight into like a silk press, it's kind of hard to see it, but I was able to see it with it textured. So first step is the CeraVe anti-dandruff shampoo. I do have itchy, flaky, dandruff scalp of a situation, so for me, the CeraVe anti-dandruff shampoo has been God sent. This is a miracle for me in a bottle. Affordable hair care that targets scalp issues without, over drying or stripping my hair is so great. Y'all, like, it is incredible. So I'm going into the scalp, really focusing on the roots and the scalp. I love that this product has niacinamide and ceramides, like really taking care of the skin. Like, our scalp is skin and does require proper care. I'm not trying to over remove all the product. This is not a clarify shampoo moment. I'm just trying to get rid of those flakes and keep my scalp from, I'm trying to maintain my scalp. I want, the healthier my scalp is, the healthier my hair growth is going to be. I'm also using a scalp scrubber, and that's going to help with the exfoliation. It just to provide a nice massage. I find that sometimes when I use my fingernail, sometimes I end up scratching it, and so this for me is just a healthier um safer alternative to maintain the integrity of my scalp and to ensure that it is still getting washed and I'm getting that blood flow to the top there, making sure that that circulation stays maintained, but still getting rid of whatever dead skin cells are there. And yeah, I really love this shampoo, and it's like in heavy, it's in rotation. It's part of my hair wash routine. The first anti-dandruff shampoo that I have loved as much as I do this one. It's a great shampoo. And if you have dandruff, get it. So after going in and finished washing my hair, the next thing that I'm going to do is rinse my hair out. And I'm using the handheld, just making sure that all that shampoo is gone. I'm taking my time. I'm being super gentle with it, gently squeezing I'm squeezing it to make sure that there is no more shampoo, no more cleansing active agents in my hair. Um, it has zinc in there, and so I like once I'm done, it's done its job. I'm definitely like, okay, you gotta go. And so I am holding the handheld hose as close to my hair as possible. And honestly, if you have a handheld shower head, it is such a great tool to have in your hair wash routine. You really want to make sure you get all the shampoo out of your hair. It's often hard for me when I just use the overhead shampoo because like I can't really see it, but with the handheld I can pinpoint exactly where it needs to be. Next is the L'Oreal Absolut Molecular Repair Shampoo. This has been an incredible bond strengthening shampoo. I've been using it like diligently for the last 6 months, and I have seen and noticed such a change in the state of my hair, in the state of my curls. It feels a lot, it feels healthier. And as I continue to deal with it, like half my hair is still colored, like the lower parts of my hair is very much still colored, and so I needed shampoo that is gentle, that is going to give me that protein maintenance that my hair needs, without stripping, without it compromising the integrity of my curls. I need my curls to still be moisturized. I need my curls to um, still be manageable. I can't have just protein without moisture. You get what I mean? Um, and with colored hair, you definitely want to ensure that you have a bond strengthening routine. And that's what it's been for me. Just a great bond strengthener. This is not to be confused with bond repair. Bond repair is a lot more intense. It's very much a treatment that you would do once in a blue moon, preferably right after coloring, relaxing, right after a chemical treatment. You would do bond repair. But if you have curly hair, you manipulate your hair often, or you have colored hair, the elements isn't kind to your hair. I don't know how else to say it. You want a good bond strengthening routine, a good bond strengthening routine, and that shampoo for me does it. It is such a great shampoo. And of course, after you finish shampooing your hair, make sure that you rinse out all of the shampoo. Anywhere that I see foam, I'm putting water to it. I don't want to see any more foam. I don't want that shampoo in there. It's done its job, and there's nothing else for it to do after it's not only cleansed my hair, but help to prevent further damage by strengthening the hair shaft. It, like, again, I speak nothing but praises for this shampoo. It is a great shampoo. It smells great, lathers beautifully, rinses out easily, as you can see, and doesn't dry my hair beyond repair. She's not a clarifying shampoo. She's just there to do her job, and she does it well. Love that for me. And so afterwards, I'm done my two shampoos. I'm going in with the CeraVe Anti-Dandruff Conditioner. Again, another shocker for me. Definitely using it in rotation. I won't stop using it. It is a great conditioner. It conditions. I was surprised. I didn't know anti-dandruff conditioners. First of all, I didn't know that was a thing because most of the conditioners I use were like not good. And two, I was surprised it actually conditioned. I am finger detangling with my fingers. I'm doing this to my hair. I'm able to undo knots with a regular anti-dandruff conditioner. It is great. Life is good. If you have dandruff, once again, this is the conditioner you need. And if you're looking for a conditioner that actually conditions, this is a conditioner you need. It is great. Now, I'm not sure if this is one of those conditioners for all hair types. I know that this is specifically for dandruff shampoos. But that formula is incredible. It gives you slip. It has a nice fragrance. It is fresh. It's the same as the other with the shampoo as well. They have like a matching fragrance. It's just really, really good. I love products that work well and smell great. Something about fragrance. My nose needs to trust you, and then my hair needs to trust you. Which has gotten me in trouble because I've used great smelling hair care that was complete garbage. I'm not going to lie. This, however, is not one of them. Look at how my fingers is going through it. Like that is so good. And I haven't used a proper conditioner in so long. So I was really, really grateful that this conditioner was able to perform as well as it does. And I've been using it, I think, for about a month now, just applying it. It's giving me slip. It smells great. And it doesn't irritate my scalp, which I also love. So we're not getting more dandruff from conditioners not doing their job. Like sometimes it's just slip and it's just not doing what's supposed to do. As well as, of course, you want to make sure that you put your conditioner in on your ends, that bottom part of your hair. Your roots don't necessarily need conditioner. And I was also surprised at how little shedding I saw. I didn't lose much hair this wash routine, which was great. So I'm rinsing out my hair once again. You always want to make sure to rinse everything out. Leave no product in your hair. I know for a while we were saying, well, when I say for a while, I know like that was like a decade ago where everybody was like keeping conditioner in their hair, using conditioner as leave-in. Listen, once that conditioner has been applied onto your hair, you're literally just packing on products and creating product buildup. There is no need for it to stay there. Rinse it out. You know, we spend so much money on these products, and it's best if we actually use the products the way it's meant to be used for. And also, that should show you the integrity of the product. Like, if you have to leave it on your hair after for like a long time for it to actually do something, this is not the product for you. Like that's a sign that you wasted your money. And I hate that. Like, I hate wasting my money. I don't know about you, but in this economy, I'm like, no. If you give me instructions on how to use your product and I have to maneuver and guess and create my own thing, nah, I'm out. So last but not least is the Joico Defy Damage Protective Hair Mask, another one of my favorite hair masks. Instantly, it always improves my hair. It always leaves it better than than before I washed it. Like my hair always feels better after using it than before using it. And that's how a hair mask should be. It should feel better. Like it should improve your hair. Unless your hair is like at optimal hair health. Mine is not. So it is what it is. I am, after leaving it for, I think, about a minute, I went in with my unbrush and I'm detangling. Up until now, I was just finger detangling, and the slip speaks for itself. I mean, I don't even need to part in sections. I know it's better to do so in sections. I know that's the preferred way. I have 3 kids that I need to get back to, so hair washing routine for me is like you're really testing the patience of your youngins. They're great though. They know how to they behave well, so I usually am able to get in and do my hair routine. But you can see how easily I'm able to just get in there and detangle, starting with the ends and working my way all the way up. It doesn't really take long for me to get all the way up. Guys, when I tell you this routine is a game changer, and the unbrush, this detangling brush is incredible. So good. I'm always stealing it back from my husband because he loves it just as much as I do. And so I'm telling you guys, if you're looking for a good bond strengthening routine and you have like dandruff, this is the routine you need. A good maintenance will help you retain length. You will see length retained. You will see your curls pop, and it will feel and look its healthiest. You won't see much damage or breakage. And so, once again, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at I am Sandy S. Free on Instagram and at Sandy S. Free on TikTok. Once again, and thank you for making it through for making it all the way through this video. I really appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate also being able to share my natural hair journey with you guys, considering I am a lazy naturalista. That's what I consider myself. I don't like spending a lot of time on my hair. I will invest time, but I don't like wasting time. You get what I mean? Like this video is roughly just about 17 minutes long. My hair wash, like the actual washing routine is about 20 minutes, and then I set my hair in like 30. And that's just to show you like how much I really value time. Now, because of the way my hair feel, I do trust and believe that this is the best way for me to care for my hair, and I know that I am seeing results. So I'm pretty sure that we will see a great results by the end of the year. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, click like, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Ciao for now.